Pepe coin holders, we got to talk. When are we going to see new all-time highs for Pepe? Because right now we're seeing Bitcoin and the crypto market take somewhat of a little bit of a corrective period right now leading into this week. It is still weekend price action at the time of recording this video, but we got to be talking about this, and I'm going to give you guys my opinions on where I think we're going to be headed here. So without further ado, welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Anything I say is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop into it. All right, guys, first things first, I want to start off with this. I posted on Twitter, follow me at 333 Blacksea. I say Bitcoin only needs to go up 6% to flip silver's market cap. I think that a lot of people kind of forget where Bitcoin's at right now. Right now, Bitcoin is the 8th largest asset in the world. And we usually talk about how Bitcoin can flip gold and what the price will be. And if Bitcoin flips the market cap of gold, then we'd be sitting at nearly a $1 million Bitcoin price. I still think that that is on the docket. I still think that we will head to $1 million Bitcoin price. And I do think that Bitcoin will flip gold's market cap. And the reason why I'm bringing this up is because, you know, time goes by, right, for altcoins. Some altcoins survive. Usually the majority of them don't. Some meme coins are a flash in the pan. Others have staying power. But I know it sounds like a meme when people say we're early, but when you really think about this, institutional adoption has just started happening. And I do think that Bitcoin will flip gold, and that will literally be it's like a 10x from here, right? It's like about a 10x. And now you're talking about adding basically another $18 trillion to the market cap of Bitcoin. And if you think for a second that none of that liquidity will move down into Pepe or other altcoins, you don't understand how this market works. So looking at Pepe right now, we're in a little bit of a concerning price structure in the short term, okay, in the short term. We're seeing a little bit of a sell-off into the weekly closure, and we're breaking below the sign level of 4010822. And I was saying to you guys, you know, I would look for a potential long opportunity around this area, and I'll be honest with you. I think that there's a good chance that this is a bear trap. I think there's a good chance that this is going to be a bear trap here. I would say my line in the sand would be a double bottom of this area here at 409194. I don't really want to see Pepe come any lower than that. Otherwise, I would become a little bit concerned. That way, if you did come below this level, then you'd be losing the bullish price structure, and you'd be losing the opportunity of this being a double bottom. So I would say it would start to look a little bit sketchy in the short to medium term. But right now, guys, I am looking for long positions here. I see a lot of people freaking out saying that, oh, it's all over, as usual. Whenever you see a break in support, people start saying it's all over. But usually, it's a good opportunity zone. Now, that's not financial advice. I'm just telling you guys how I'm viewing this market. And what I'm doing right now specifically is I am looking for long positions. I am looking for good long entries. And I do think that between this area here at 401089 and all the way down here to 509140, I think there's a potential good opportunity to be looking for a long entry. Now, if you guys do want to trade with me, feel free to check out in the pinned comment section or description box below. We have a $100,000 deposit bonus to BitConnect, as well as $10 for free when you sign up. And on Blowfin, we have a 10% trade rebate and a $5,000 sign bonus, guys. Take advantage of the affiliate links down below. It helps support this channel, and there's a lot of lucrative rewards to be taking advantage of, so check it out. Now, where is Pepe going to be headed if we were to, say, enter a long position in this area? In my opinion, I still believe that Q4 is going to be bullish. And I think that it will take a little bit with all these rate cuts. But guys, when these rate cuts when the economy and the world, the overarching economics of the world start to feel the rate cuts, the U.S. rate cuts, you will see an impact on risk on assets. You will see big moves to the upside. Because guys, it's simple math, all right? You're devaluing the dollar. You're printing more money. People want to move their money out of money market accounts to more risk-on assets, and that's Pepe, baby. It's one of the most riskiest of assets. It's a meme coin. And I do think that all-time highs for Pepe will be happening in Q4 as long as we do get these rate cuts and as long as there's no crazy black swan event playing out for crypto and really the entire world. But Guys, I'm bullish on Pepe. I'm bullish on Pepe. You look at this right now, we're at rank 32. We're down about 12, 13% of the past 7 days, down about 5% of the past 24 hours. And I'll show you why. We'll take a look at Bitcoin here shortly because we are seeing a little bit of a sell-off here. But it's just Bitcoin's kind of bringing down the market with it. We're sitting at a $4.27 billion market cap, about $10 billion away from all-time highs, which is I think about $8 billion away from all-time highs. I think we topped out about $12 to $13 billion. But guys, like I said, if we really do see Bitcoin go to $1 million and it flip the market cap of gold, $10 billion is nothing. It is absolutely nothing compared to $20 trillion, okay? It is a tiny, tiny, tiny percentage. And I think that Pepe is the number one meme coin out of Doge, Sheeb, and Pepe. And I think it's the newer one. It's the hotter coin. And it has proven that it has staying power. And also it's proven that it has attention behind it. So I am very bullish on Pepe. So like I said, Bitcoin's selling off right about 114,500. Bitcoin dominance is continuing to break down slowly, just as I predicted here. But guys, the reason why we're seeing this sell-off is look at Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is taking a little bit of a tumble on the daily time frame. And this is a perfect bull trap opportunity. It spiked above the resistance, and now we're back below it. And if you guys have been watching, you guys know I've been saying that I am A-okay with us coming down, tapping this level at 110,000. And I think that it's absolutely fine if we come even a little bit lower to 105,000. The only thing I'm a little bit concerned about is really the time horizon of this 4-year cycle. And I think that right now we have about 30 days, 25 to 35 days, give or take, left in the bull market, if you will, of this 4-year cycle based on the past 4-year cycles. And obviously, this time can be a little bit different. Every time is a little bit different. But it is just something I'm keeping in the back of my head. So I don't want to see us break down much further than that. But I think it's possible, and I think it's on the table. And even if that does play out, I think that all-time highs still can come after that, and that's what I'm saying. And I do think that it could spook everyone out leading into Q4, and then into halfway through Q4, let's say. Then you start to see things really, really pop off, and you see Pepe make some massive moves. Now, guys, let me know in the comments below. Are you bullish on Pepe? When do you think Pepe is going to hit all-time highs? I think that we're going to be very cautious here because we're kind of in no man's land with Pepe specifically, talking about the technical analysis on Pepe. But very interesting times here, guys. I think that the big moves are loading, and you don't get there for free, guys. It's trial by fire, and there's going to be a lot of shakeouts, a lot of spooky price action. But regardless, I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and I believe that we're probably going to see a further bullish move to the upside as long as there isn't any crazy, crazy invalidations, right? But that's all I got. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel now. Check out all his awesome affiliate links down below. It really helps support this channel, and I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.